The president's cabinet secretary, primarily responsible for the COVID-19 response, is in Michigan today.
News 8 political reporter Rick Alvin is here with what he had to say about moving forward.
The Secretary of the U.S. Health and Human Services Department, Azar, was in West Michigan, making stops at several locations, including here at Allegan General Hospital. I talked to him about what we would expect this fall. Will there be another spike? Will kids be able to go back to school? And how are they keeping track of all of that information? In terms of what happens this fall, are you expecting, preparing for, concerned about a second wave? Will that impact schools, and are we already seeing spikes in some states that have opened up?
So first, we want to see schools get reopened. Now that's going to be very dependent on any community, but there's no reason we can't get back to school just like we can get back to work with appropriate precautions. You always have to look at the individual circumstances of any particular person as well as what's going on in that community, but we got to get back to school. In terms of where things stand right now, here in Michigan, we're doing very well. Fatalities are down, hospitalizations are down, just as they are nationwide. We're at 2-month lows of fatalities per day. We're at 2-month lows in terms of hospitalizations. We've had about 2 weeks of fewer than 1,000 fatalities, and we don't want a single fatality, but still we're progressing very well there. We are seeing parts of the country that are experiencing more cases. Now, some of that may be due to testing, and we had a call, the Vice President and I, with our nation's governors just on Monday. And many of them in these states that are seeing higher numbers of cases reported, they're seeing the average age of positive cases going down pretty dramatically. That's a really good sign in the sense that means we're reaching a lot of people and we're actually pulling asymptomatic younger people into the net by getting them diagnosed.
Azar says they have a 6-point approach to try to keep a close eye on the development of COVID as we move into the fall. In Allegan, Rick Alvin, News 8.